Yeah. Hey, it's there. Oh, take this. Up the hole. Except for the crawl spaces, this really is a one-person job.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
No.
And I am also not Dick Proenneke, and I have no delusions about that. So now the middle goes on, right?
You just put the heavy end from this side, it's easiest.
Okay. And just kind of threading them in or weaving them in, no?
You just set it up here and drop it.
Cool. Once all the cross pieces are in, the rest just drop in loose.
That we've told together like we always do. 'Cause you went down bright star.
I love the idea that with junkpole, there's no wasted piece. Like, eventually, even this stubby little thing has a home in this fence. I love that idea, just from like a philosophical level. Ow, that hurt. Thanks, stubby piece.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about roundwood timber framing, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.
Woo! Can't see this. There's junkpole fence in the way.